Did you hear about this?
Steve Jobs personal bomber jacket. Wow, you go deep on the Steve Jobs
The
auction news.
Yeah. I think it's kind of fun.
We're never going to miss any auction news.
Check out this picture, though. Oh,
I mean, it could be
like half blinking.
You know what's weird is,
What?
wait a sec, is that picture a part of the thing? Or it's just the only picture they had of him in that bomber jacket?
Yeah, unfortunately, with his eyes half closed.
He's not happy about that.
But you get to buy the jacket there, the bomber that he's holding.
How much?
You can kind of see all of the things that it's up for auction.
Oh, cool.
So a lot of autographed things, but some apparel as well that he's worn. Is there anyone that piques your interest here?
Well,
there's some old tech, obviously.
I'm assuming the bomber jacket is the highest estimate of the bunch. Obviously, I want the bomber jacket. Oh, it's not the highest. Oh, see, you have it sorted by bid, but they're all low right now because they're all starting at low numbers with a higher estimate. The Steve Jobs typed letter signed, estimated to go for 10,000 plus. So that's cool.
Yeah,
50 grand for the Macworld cover signed. Holy cow. You got the Steve Jobs autograph and the Steve Wozniak. No, you know what I want, Will, is the Magnavox satellite phone.
This one?
Model MX 2020p. That's right.
That's a good one.
I'm joking, of course. Where's the bomber jacket? What do I got to pay for it?
So there's this one here.
Oh, baby. That's the one I'm taking.
That's 25 grand.
The estimated...
That looks cool. And he wore it. He wore it.
Steve Jobs personally owned and worn leather bomber jacket. Minimum bid $2,500, and the estimate is $25,000.
Yes. Look at this one. The Apple One computer.
$450,000 expected to go for.
Yeah.
I guess it's cool, but I don't know. I think I might still take the bomber instead.
You would... Oh, the bomber's not here for some reason.
What do you mean? You just had it.
Oh, the other bomber. Where he was...
it's a double bomber?
Maybe it says here.
Uh-oh. Willie, do you led me astray here? What?
To fetch over $600.
No,
It's worth way more.
No. I'll give you $600 for that right now.
Yeah.
That's not going to go.
You could be Steve Jobs.
No, but I don't even need this bomber. Like, I want the other bomber.
Oh.
The leather one that was... Yeah, that's what I need right there.
That's a nice look.
Yeah, throw a bid on that for me, Will.
All right.
Just use your credit card.
All right. 25,000. Buy it right. Is there a buy it right now?
Worn in the iconic 1983 middle finger to IBM photo. Whoa. Sheesh. Can you find that photo? Oh, it's probably maybe it's down there. I just feel like we need to see this photo real quick.
Wilkes Bashford.
That's the maker of the jacket. He gave the middle finger to IBM in a photo wearing this bomber jacket in 1983, 2 years before I was born. Wow. Stop it. That's an iconic jacket now.
That's cool.
Look at that jacket. I'm just raising the price right now. I'm like, yeah, I'll bid $2,500. And everybody's like, yeah, that's the best jacket. I'll give $100 grand for it right now.
Middle finger. Yeah. That's cool.
It's a great story. You can have it in like a glass case, and then anybody asks, and you're like, well, that's the jacket from that photo. Cool.